What's up everybody? In this video I'll show you 3 free mint gaming NFT projects. I think all of those projects, they have a huge potential. They're working on a video game, and right now, as we know, gaming is a huge narrative in a crypto and NFT space, and all the projects are free mints in gaming. But before I show you the project, you just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the first project, it's called Mhaya brands, and at the time of recording this video they have 71,000 followers, and they already have a free play to earn blockchain game, and they're actually getting decent engagement on their Twitter post, and they have a Discord and a website. And if we pull up their website, as you can see, you can already play video game. You can read through the news, characters about Mhaya help center, white paper, and they have also their own marketplace. So far I really like the way they designed the website, and I haven't played the game yet, but I think it's going to be a really fun game as well. Then the second project, it's called OverTrip, and at the time of recording this video they have 28,000 followers. They're getting really good engagement on their Twitter post, most likely due to premium links or maybe alpha bots or like whitelist spot giveaways. But at the same time, this is like a battle royale web3 game powered by GameStarter. So GameStarter is like a game launchpad that's gonna be most likely launching either the game or tokens, or this is gonna be like part of their ecosystem. And they also have a website. The website is still under the construction, so as you can see, they're gonna have NFT drop and then log in as soon, play OverTrip and win. It's also coming soon. So they have a website, but they're still working on it. Looks like this is also gonna be a really cool game. And then the last third project, it's called Dark Frontier. I think this is one of the most anticipated and one of the most hyped project out there. It's backed by Mutable and also GameStarter, so they're also going to be on the GameStarter launchpad. And at the time of recording this video, they have 96,000 followers. Crazy engagement on their Twitter post, like this one right here on December 11th, and they already have so much activity, 8,000 likes and 8,000 retweets. And if we scroll down more, same thing for other ones as well. I think this is one of the hypest and is going to be one of the more successful video game out there. And if we're going to open up their website, as you can see right here, enter the dark side, you can sign up here, you can read roadmap, media news, and then the dashboard. And also you can join their Discord, follow them on Twitter, Telegram, and TikTok. And this is it. I think, in my opinion, this is going to be one of the hottest project that's coming up. And all the projects that I show you in this video, I'm going to leave links in the description below. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.